Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Sampurasun simpuring di kelompok 5 nu nampilkeun ngeunaan alat musik angklung. Indonesia is known for its diverse cultural wealth, including musical instruments, especially in West Java. One of the most popular musical instruments in West Java is angklung. Angklung has been known worldwide as Indonesian cultural heritage. On November 18, 2010, UNESCO officially recognized the Indonesian angklung as a masterpiece of the oral and intangible heritage of humanity, and encouraged the Indonesian people and the Indonesian government to safeguard, transmit, promote performance, and to encourage the craftsmanship of the angklung. In April 2015, around 2,007 over participants gathered at Siliwangi Stadium in Bandung to play several songs, such as I Will Survive and Real the World, using angklung. The event, held in conjunction with the 60th ASEAN African Conference commemoration (AACC), managed to create a new world record with 20,000 participants. There are many types of angklung. First, angklung kanekes. Angklung kanekes is an ancient angklung originating from the Baduy in Lebak. The angklung is used to accompany the ritual of planting rice on the fields passed down by their ancestors. Second, angklung reog. Angklung reog is an angklung commonly used in Tari Reog Ponorogo. The sound produced in angklung reog tends to be loud when compared to other angklung musical instruments. Third, angklung caruk. Angklung caruk is an angklung that originates from Banyuwangi, East Java, and it has a shape like a calung. Fourth, angklung Bali. Angklung Bali is an angklung originating from Bali, and it has distinct sound of Balinese. This type of angklung is usually used as a musical accompaniment to several traditional Balinese dances.
Number 5, angklung dok-dok lojer. Angklung dok-dok lojer is an angklung that originates from the dok-dok lojer culture found in the Kasepuhan Pancar Panguinan community, or Kesatuan Banten Kidul, that scattered around Mount Halimun. Angklung dok-dok lojer is used to accompany the tradition of farming, circumcision, and marriage. Number 6, angklung gubrak. Angklung gubrak is an angklung originating from Cipinang Village, Cigudeg, Bogor, West Java. This angklung is very old and is used to honor the goddess of rice, Dewi Sri. Number 7, angklung badeng. Angklung badeng is an angklung originating from Garut, West Java. Initially, this angklung was used for the ritual of planting rice, but now it has shifted to be used to accompany the preaching of Islam. Number 8. Angklung Padaeng. Angklung Padaeng is a musical instrument made of bamboo, which is a modern variant of angklung. In 1938, Dayang Sutikna made an innovation so that angklung could play diatonic. Number 9. Angklung Buncis. Angklung Buncis is an angklung that used for entertainment performance. Among them are angklung in the Baros area, Arjasari, Bandung, West Java. Number 10. Angklung Sarinande. Sarinande angklung is a term of Angklung Padaeng, which only uses a round tone without chromatic tones with the basic tones of C. The small angklung sarinade unit contains 8 angklung, while Sarinade plus contains 13 angklung. Number 11. Angklung Toel. Angklung Toel was invented by Kang Yayan Ujo in 2008. To play it, the player only need to press the angklung and the angklung will vibrate because of the rubber.
Angklung Solo. Angklung Solo is a modified angklung that was introduced by Yos Rusdi in 1964 and can be played by one person. To make it easier for the player to play angklung solo, a number of angklung is hung on a crossbar. Angklung Indung. Angklung Indung is a type of angklung kanekes which has much larger size than angklung in general. How to play angklung? 1. The left hand of the player hold the upper note of angklung and the right hand hold the below side of angklung. The position of the left hand can grip angklung both upside or downside. Both hands are in straight position. There are 3 techniques to hold angklung and each of them have different sounds. 1. Kurulung is the basic technique to play angklung by shaking the instrument. 2. Centok or staccato is the basic technique of playing angklung by hitting the horizontal angklung tube with the palm of your hand. 3. Tangkep is the basic technique of playing angklung by shaking the big tube. There is a place in Bandung called Saung Angklung Ujo, where you can learn more about angklung. Saung Angklung Ujo established in 1966 by the late Ujo Nalagena. Saung Angklung Ujo was built with purpose and dedication to conserve West Java's Sundanese traditional art and culture. Saung Angklung Ujo is located in Padasuka Street, Bandung. In this clip, you can see a very young child teaching the tourists to play angklung. There are also various tourists who came from Indonesia and abroad. Saung Angklung Ujo has become one of the tourist attractions in Bandung, where every visitors can see the process of making an angklung and angklung performance every week. Since 16 November 2010, Angklung has officially become a cultural heritage by UNESCO. This is one of the best legacies that the Indonesian nation has contributed to the world. Therefore, we must always protect this heritage by preserving our beloved culture. Mung sakieu ti simkuring, sampurasun. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.